Top affiliate marketing tools to boost your performance. Hey everyone, if you're into affiliate marketing or thinking about getting started, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some must-have tools that can help you boost your affiliate marketing game and start earning more money. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy to understand. Keyword research tools. First up, let's talk about keyword research tools. These are super important because they help you find out what people are searching for online. When you know what people want, you can create content around those keywords and rank higher on search engines like Google. A couple of great tools to get started with are Google Keyword Planner. It's free and gives you an idea of what keywords are popular. Ubersuggest, also free and shows you keyword ideas, along with how hard it is to rank for them. With these tools, you'll find the right keywords to target, which means more people will find your content and click on your affiliate links. Next, let's talk about something called link cloaking. If you're using really long and ugly affiliate links, it can look spammy, and people might not trust it. Link cloakers make your links look short and clean. For example, Pretty Links. It's a tool that shortens and customizes your affiliate links, making them look professional and trustworthy. Bitly. This is another popular one, and it's free. Just paste your long link, and it'll give you a short version you can share. Using these tools makes your links more clickable and easier to share on social media or in emails. Finally, let's talk about analytics tools. These tools help you track how well your affiliate links are performing. You'll see which links are getting clicks, where your traffic is coming from, and which products are making the most money. A few tools to try out are Google Analytics. It's free and gives you detailed information about your website traffic. ClickMeter. This tool tracks all your links, so you can see which ones are driving sales. With analytics, you can focus on what's working and improve what's not. So there you have it. These tools, keyword research platforms, link cloakers, and analytics software, are essential if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to boost your performance, these tools will help you get better results and more sales. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks for affiliate marketing. Also, check out the links in the description for some of my favorite affiliate tools to get started. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.